When you say something is beautiful, it can still have a ferocity to it. A lioness is beautiful, but it can still rip your head off. I would call Hampshire beautiful because it's unlike any other institution. It's unique in its own way, and if you apply yourself there, you too can be that lioness, and it gives you this ferocious beauty that when you get out in the world, you're ready to take over. My name is Kamil Peters, and I started in 2006 at Hampshire College. I've always had an affinity for art. It wasn't until I got to Hampshire College that I found metal. But what I can say I've been up to is creating commercial and residential work. A piece I'll share with you is called Black Joy. It's a ship that is going down to Lowell, Mass. A group of local folks, we all work together to come up with this concept of what is it that is Black Joy. We went all the way back to the Middle Passage, and we weren't taking natural cotton pickers. We were taking doctors and lawyers, great thinkers, astronomers, philosophers, kings and queens, The meadow flowers that are all African natives represent not just ancestors, but, the people that came physically for real. But the hull of the ship is a planter. So fill it with dirt and live flowers will grow out of that, which represent the African American, the flourishing, the constantly living, the still alive. And to me, that is joy, the Black joy of our ancestors looking down upon us, and me having this opportunity right here as I speak. Me having the opportunity to speak to the Chamber of Commerce in Lowell and let them hear me roar. And this is something that Hampshire College taught me to do.